Students, let's move on to the fourth question of exercise 4.3. So we have to draw the rectangle OKAY. In that OK is equal to 7 centimeter and K is equal to 5 centimeter. As we all know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So this is your rough sketch of rectangle OKAY. This is your 5 centimeter. Opposite of this is also 5 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. Opposite is also 7 centimeter. Now we know that in rectangle all the angles are equal. So that is 90 degree. So first we will draw the line segment OK of 7 centimeter. Then at O we will draw the 90 degree angle. And at K also we will draw 90 degree angle. Then we draw the arc of 5 centimeter on that particular ray. And here also 5 centimeter. So this way we can complete the construction. So let's see. So first we draw line segment OK is equal to 7 centimeter. So this is our line segment OK of 7 centimeter. Now we draw 90 degree angle at O and at K. So first we complete the 90 degree angle. So with the help of rounder we complete the 90 degree angle first. So from O first we will draw the 90 degree angle. We know how to draw the 90 degree angle now. So don't change the measurement. This is your 60 degree angle. This is your again 60 degree angle that we will bisect. So we are getting one point. So we join these 2 points so that it will form the 90 degree angle at O. Same we will do for here at K also we draw the 90 degree angle. We know how to draw the 90 degree angle. Okay. Then we bisect this another 60 degree angle. So again we are getting 2 intersecting point. So we join this point and here this point and this point so that we are getting the 90 degree angle. So this is our 90 degree angle and here also it is 90 degree angle. Now what we have to do? We know that your OK is 7 centimeter and K is 5 centimeter. Though 5 centimeter arc we will draw from K. So this is 5. So first we will measure the 5 centimeter on scale. Okay. Then we draw an arc over here from K. So we are getting one intersecting point. So this is our KA of 5 centimeter. As we know that opposite side of this is also equal. So don't change the measurement and from O draw an arc. So you are getting one intersecting point over here. So name it as Y. So now what we will do? Join these two Y and A. So we are getting the required rectangle. So this is our required rectangle OKAY in which OK is 7 centimeter and K is 5 centimeter. Opposite line segments are equal. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So this is all about your construction for rectangle OKAY of exercise 4.3. Thank you.